Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBPJPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that GBPJPY currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly, we can see that GBPJPY is a long-term bullish market. We see with this monthly impulse followed by this correction consolidation, and then we have seen that GJ has created another monthly impulse followed by we have seen that this market has a huge liquidity gap breaking this monthly swing low and then immediately has gone up closed as a monthly doji. Now this doji is a very powerful, and because of that liquidity gap we can expect GBPJPY to go to the upside at least to break this monthly high from the longer term picture. Now with that said, we saw that after pullback, now every month GBPJPY creating series of higher high and higher low, and previous months we saw that GBPJPY has formed this bullish engulfer on the monthly, which in fact followed by this month so far 2 weeks we saw that a pullback. Now if we compare this monthly candle along with this monthly narrow, we see that how bulls are stronger than the bears, and we see that as soon as the sellers selling this market, the buyers are buying and creating new higher high in this instrument. So with that said, GBPJPY is currently bullish. Now if we look at the weekly time frame in this instrument, now from the weekly perspective, we see that GBPJPY created this weekly impulse followed by this correction, also consolidation, and we can see that GBPJPY we saw this week as soon as market open initially has a strong bounce. Now we saw after little pullback again GBPJPY bulls are pushing that price high, and because it's a long-term bull market we still can expect GJ to continue to rise. Now if we look at the daily time frame on GBPJPY, we see that from the daily perspective, this is the daily impulse on GBPJPY followed by this correction. This is another impulse. We see the market is moving in a sideway but is still creating series of higher low. We saw that after breaking this previous resistance, which is turning support here on GBPJPY, grab the liquidity and form this bullish move. Now what we saw that this today so far after this previous day's strong bullish movement, the price has come down for a deeper pullback. Now the price is forming a long wick candle in that zone. Now we can expect slowly GBPJPY to continue to rise as we see that there is already a strong impulse, and we could see that GJ in fact has gone up and tested this important daily resistance level. Now if we look at further lower time frame on the intraday, we can see that previous session GBPJPY has come to this important liquidity zone breaking this doji's low and then form a long week candle. This long week candle is quite significant as we see that this candle in fact has tested this important level, this previous resistance zone. This is the smart money area of this reversal. The price has broken to the upside, tested this resistance as a support, and formed this long wick candle. Now, with that long wick candle, we can expect GBPJPY to continue to rise as we see the price now currently after grabbing liquidity from the top is coming down. What I think that on the lower time frame, after a little pullback to this level, we can expect GBPJPY to continue to rise as we see that there's a strong liquidity gap from the support, and we could see this market slowly breaking this resistance to the upside. So as soon as we will find suitable entry along the zone on GBPJPY, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading GBPJPY. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.